This is my coat, winter coat. It's finally arrived all the way from Canada. Thank goodness that it has finally arrived and I can go out now and not be freezing cold, even though British winters are not nearly as brutal as Canadian winters. This is your British lady from EmzDiary, and here at EmzDiary we want to make the community as positive as possible. Let me know in the comments below, have you had a winter coat or something shipped over from Canada and North America over to Europe, and how much did it cost you and what shipping service did you use? Because I'd absolutely love to know your experience and leave it in the comments below. It's been challenging during this pandemic to say the least, but I am surviving. And if you have gone to another country to visit, work there, or travel there, or live there, let me know in the comments below. Well, dearies, apparently today, what's the date today? Thursday on...
Friday.
Oh, Friday, oh dear. On Fickle Friday, we can't figure out the bloody oven here in London. This is rubbishy nonsense, and I moved around my whole life 4 times in Toronto before moving to London. I can't even figure out how to cook a sodding egg. Look at this rubbish. And my bestie here can't figure it out either, and she's moved around her whole life as well in different countries, and it's ridiculous. So just thought I'd record this for the comedy of it all. This is so insane. I never heard of anything so crazy. Like literally, can't cook bloody eggs. Trying to cook some eggs and can't even do that. What the hell's wrong with the world? I mean, look at this. We even have to open up a bloody door, the bloody backyard, because can't cook a bloody egg. We don't want the house being set on fire. My gosh, this is a sitcom. My goodness. Well, have a lovely day, the rest of my lovelies. Toodaloo. Hello, dearies. This is the British lady doing her laundry today in a tiny little washing machine, which, you know, in North America it's huge, but here in Britain it's tiny. It's literally like a dollhouse. I feel like I'm living in a village, honestly. Well, here we go. Yeah, backyard's really tiny compared to Canada. I have to show backyards in Canada and how they look. Mind you, there are some areas in Toronto where they have backyards just as small as this, depending on the area where it's really congested. So you can't really compare, but most backyards in Canada are quite a bit bigger than this, depending on where you go. Toodaloo. Enjoy the rest of your weekends. Whereabouts do you do laundry where you live, and how big is your washing machine? Is it big? Is it small? Is it compact? And how do you do your laundry? Let me know in the comments below. If you've been just as brave as me in starting a new adventure despite this rubbishy nonsense pandemic, I'd love to know. Do let me know your thoughts on this pandemic and what state your country is in. Toodaloo!